put a lift on that Forerunner. Now I can't reach the rod tubes. So I've got that fancy little step. Right there. That thing. We're doing another entry in the Trout Journal. Now, I've never been to this access before. I've fished this river where we're gonna fish it, but I've never fished this access before. So I don't really know where I'm going to get in. I'd think that there would be a path or something down here. All right, hang on a second. That's why you consult a GPS when you're hiking in somewhere new. I was going the wrong way. I just got to the river here. This is pretty awesome. I'm on another brook trout river, and I'm gonna try to catch one. And this river again is very slow moving, so the wake, sending a wake upstream is going to be really critical. But I think there's a corner and there's a rock, and there's usually a pretty nice fish that hangs out right around that rock. I'm gonna give it a shot. See what happens. This fish has a leech inside of its, oh, it fell out. It had a leech inside of its mouth. That's crazy. I've got a funny story about that tree that's hanging out over the river right there. I call that hangman's tree. I call it hangman's tree because that branch used to stick way up high. And I got my fly caught on it a long time ago. And I handed my fly rod to my friend Justin, and I climbed that tree hand over hand up into the air until it broke off, and I snapped off and I came crashing down into the water, and I got my fly back. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. That's what we wanted. We'll take what we can get, but that's a good one. Yeah. Oh, that's a really good fish. Come on. Oh. Come on up here, buddy. Oh, yeah. Check out this fish, guys. Check this out. Ooh. Hold on. He measures, what's 8 plus 4? 12 inches. 12 inches on the nose. Oh, yeah. Great fish. I could go out on a fish like that. well, I guess that completes another episode of the Trout Journal. Oh, time to go home. If I wanted to make videos like that, I would just I would use all the footage of big fish that I haven't used.
Think that even though it's slow, you don't have to, it just drug on. I had a hard time, because it's not really, it's not a documentary, it's not educational necessarily.
Well, not for you. You already know everything about fly fishing.
More interested about you than even the art, because there are some points that almost make it like a documentary of yourself, you know?
Right, that's why it's called a journal.